Possibly another book,
Okay.
possibly an expansion of Single Mommyhood. We're looking to invite other bloggers to join us at this site.
Good.
So it'll really be a one-stop site for people who are interested in parenthood and
Fantastic. Well,
meeting their grown-up needs.
Thank you so much for joining us. I know you're going to hang around with us for a little bit.
Yes, I will.
My next guest coming up right after the break will be the lovely Angelica Bridges. So stay tuned, and you'll be hearing about her story of being a single mom.
Coming up on Tell Dr. D.
I have a little background history of matchmaking. Nothing that I really, ever did professionally. It was something that I just had a really amazing gift
Oh,
to
wait,
do.
wait, you do?
I do.
Oh, so you have made matches
Yes.
with other individuals?
Yes, and actually a Baywatch cast member. I introduced her to her husband.
You're watching Tell Dr. D. Have you gone from being someone who was productive and happy, who enjoyed life and time spent with friends, to a person alone and confused? You can turn it around like others who have gotten help.
Have you or a loved one become addicted to pain pills or other opiates? If so, Behavioral Health Group's Lake Charles Substance Abuse Clinic can help. Please call 337-433-8281 to schedule a confidential appointment.
At Memorial, we get that women are different and that you have special needs and wants, like modern birthing suites, the latest breast health diagnostics, advanced neonatal care, and other women-specific services. As a mother, daughter, sister, wife, and grandmother, you have many roles in life, and so should your health care. That's why there's Lake Charles Memorial Hospital for Women, a special place that understands your life. We are Memorial for Women.
If you or a loved one is experiencing depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder, there is help locally. Bridgeway Psychiatric Center offers a day treatment program that combines medication management with psychotherapy to decrease symptoms and help clients get back to the things they enjoy. If these symptoms describe you or someone you know, Bridgeway can help. Bridgeway Psychiatric Center provides effective treatment without the confinement of a hospital. For more information or to schedule a confidential screening, call 562-0211.
Welcome back to Tell Dr. D. Now I want to introduce my next guest. This actress, model, and musician has been on Days of Our Lives and Baywatch. She has her own band, Strawberry Blonde, and is a matchmaker, and you'll see her soon in a new TV reality show. Please welcome Angelica Bridges.
Thank you.
Angelica, so glad that you could come all the way from Los Angeles,
Los
actually.
Angeles,
Yeah,
yes.
to be here. You have so much going on. I mean, we're going to talk about that because being a single mom with everything you're doing has got to be tough.
Yes, it's a handful.
Okay.
But
so,
I love it.
all right,
I love it.
So,
So we'll get
all
into
right,
that.
let's talk about the band.
Okay.
All right, tell me about that.
Strawberry blonde,
Yep.
hence the natural hair color.
Ah.
I felt that it would go great with, just my personality. I thought it really represents me completely with that name, Strawberry Blonde. And it's myself, I'm the lead singer.
And it is natural hair color. You're
It
going
is
on record. You're
natural,
going on
yes.
record. Okay. All right,
You
that's
can
good.
look at my two little girls. They have exactly the same color, and I definitely couldn't
I believe
fake
you,
that.
of course, but
But does everyone else?
yeah, no, they're gonna. Yeah, they do now.
Anyway, so I'm the lead singer, and I have 4 other girls that are a part of the band, so there's 5 of us.
Okay, so you obviously rehearse and tour and do all the things that go along with the
Yes.
band. All right, and the reality show.
The reality show is a new Baywatch reality show, which is very exciting.
Now, do we have other
We're
Baywatch
back.
women that are coming back on the show
Yes,
with you?
we do.
right.
There's actually 5 of us.
5 Baywatch, or
original-
former Baywatch
Former Baywatch,
ladies.
original cast members.
Okay.
And we have all come together, and I have a little background history of matchmaking. Nothing that I really, ever did professionally. It was something that I just had a really amazing gift
Oh,
to
wait,
do.
wait, you do?
I do.
Oh, so you have made matches
Yes.
with other individuals.
Yes, and actually a Baywatch cast member, I introduced her to her husband, and they got married, and now they have 2 children. So not only that, but I have 2 other couples that have gotten married, and I'm actually on a 4th couple right now that are very serious, that could be going toward marriage. So
you decided to take your gift and turn it into...
Exactly.
Now, I've got a question I've got to ask her.
Okay.
Obviously, you guys, the 5 Baywatch women, are going to be doing the show and making matches. What are you going to do with the guys that come on and go, well, I don't want anybody else, I want one of you?
Oh, no. They can't do that.
But they will do that.
Well, if they do that, we'll just, guide them to, the proper...
Let them know that that's not really the way
Yeah, and you know what? If there's a single girl that... there's actually a couple of us that are single, and it happens to be the right guy, you never know.
Then you have a real reality show at that point,
love can
right?
blossom in any place. So that's what's kind of exciting about it. It can
Okay,
happen.
so you got that going on. What else?
Well, I have an online bakery called Siren Sweets. That's
An
another
online, wait, you're a cook too?
Oh, yes. This has gone on since I've been 5 years
Tell
old.
us quickly about the bakery, then we got to get into your kids.
Okay, great.
Right. No, quickly
well, my
about-
kids help me with the bakery. It's actually called Siren Sweets,
Okay.
and it's www.sirensweets.com. And it's a whole array of cookies and brownies that are about
And let me guess,
4.5
you make these
inches.
yourself?
I do.
No way.
Oh, yes,
You
absolutely.
cook them yourself?
I have been in the kitchen for the last 4 or 5 months creating the perfect brownie, the perfect tasting brownie with, and I call them my volcanic lava brownies because in the
Well,
center
you know
is
what?
something
I
special.
expect to get some brownies then at some point.
will.
All right, you
I'm
have to
gonna
send.
send
All
them to
right,
you.
you send me some. All right, now you have 2 kids, 2 and 5.
Yes.
And you said you let them help you out with the cooking on
yeah,
the
I don't even let them. They just they barrel themselves right into the kitchen. They get up on that little step ladder,
Right.
and the flour starts flying, and the cookie dough, and they're eating off the spoon. And I say, okay, when we start shipping these, nobody
more.
eats. Yeah, this is great because Mommy's testing all the styles of cookies, but this has got to stop soon.
Yes.
So.
Well, actually, you've been on the show once before, and we talked about your breakup and how you became a single mom.
Yes.
So we won't go over that again at this point. But
Right.
how do you manage to juggle having 2 kids, touring, reality show, all the things that you do? That's got to be tough.
It is, and I just feel like if I don't do it, I just really want to set an example for my daughters. I really want to show them that you don't have to lay down and die, so to speak, when a relationship doesn't work out. And I feel that if they see
So
me
is that
really...
your motivating factor, that I'm going to be strong for them, let them know that a woman
really,
can do this?
Absolutely. I really want to pave a wonderful path for them
Right.
to see that women can really have an amazing life in this world and do whatever. My whole motto is you can do anything you want to do.
Okay, so you got your kids.
Yeah.
You got your career. What about your social life?
My social life, basically it revolves around the people that I work with right now,
Okay.
which is, the Baywatch cast members,
Okay.
because we're working on that.
So you
And
do have a
also-
life outside of
Oh,
everything
I
else.
do.
Yeah?
Yes, of
Okay.
course, I do. And I enjoy my girlfriends. I have a lot of guy friends too, and it just enriches my life, and they give me good feedback.
Who
And
takes care of the kids?
Well, I don't have a nanny.
You don't have a...
No.
Lots of babysitters? I mean, you got to have somebody involved.
Well, actually, because during the summer, they spend half the time with their dad and half the time with me. So right now they're with Dad, so I'm able to come here and do the show.
Oh,
and then when I get back in a couple of days, then they come and they're with me. And then when they go back with Dad, then I go to New York and I do my touring, and I just try to kind of balance my schedule like that.
Perfect.
And,
Well,
yeah.
thank you so much for joining us. Actually, both of you are going to be back after the break, and we'll be talking a little bit more about what's going on in terms of being a single mom with both of you. So the break's coming up, and we will be back with both lovely guests right after this.
If you or a loved one is experiencing depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder, there is help locally. Bridgeway Psychiatric Center offers a day treatment program that combines medication management with psychotherapy to decrease symptoms and help clients get back to the things they enjoy. If these symptoms describe you or someone you know, Bridgeway can help. Bridgeway Psychiatric Center provides effective treatment without the confinement of a hospital. For more information or to schedule a confidential screening, call 562-0211.
At Memorial, we get that women are different and that you have special needs
Till
and
Dr.
wants,
D goes on
like
the
modern
streets.
birthing
It's
suites,
your
the
turn
latest
to
breast
talk
health
back America.
diagnostics, advanced neonatal care, and other women-specific services. As a mother, daughter, sister, wife, and grandmother, you have many roles in life, and so should your health care. That's why there's Lake Charles Memorial Hospital for Women, a